start the tutorial. Go to the tutorial page and download the source files. Copy all files and paste in CircuitPy. Choose Replace. Open Setting in Notepad. Replace it with your Wi-Fi SSID and password. Save the file. Delete code file. Rename the example code to code.py. Enable log data. Press the reset button to reboot. If the LED blinking like this, your Datalog is working. You can wait for a few minutes to let it record the data. Then, press reset button again to reboot. Open your temperature file in Excel. There you go! You can now see the temperature data easily with the timestamp.